Competing with China and other countries around the world is a reality. And to compete with that, you need to bring technology into a shop. And that's what we've done with the robots and the 5-axis and 4-axis trunnions. So much to the point that we've been able to bring back more than 50 jobs that were being sourced in China. So it's been very beneficial to us as a shop. I'm Chris Basgall with Catamount Machine Works in Plant City, Florida. Catamount Machine Works has been in business for 16 years. It was acquired a year and a half ago, and significant investment has been put into the company since then. We're transforming from being a job shop to being a contract manufacturer. Our volumes a year and a half ago peaked out at about 200 parts. Now we're doing upwards of 2,000 or 3,000 parts at a time. We acquired a robot 15 months ago and then acquired a second one 3 months after that because we were so pleased with it. It's the Haas Robot Package. Financially, it's paying off significantly, and we've brought several jobs back from China as a result of using the robots. When looking at the stats for gains on robots, there's a lot of different models you can build, a lot of variables that you could use. But looking at it on a very simplistic basis, an employee may work 40 hours a week. Of that 40 hours a week, you can take off an assumption such as 15% for other activities, albeit breaks or prep activities, etc. That brings it down to about 34 hours a week for productivity, versus the robot runs 168 hours per week. Simple math on there, you're talking about a 5x factor for production, which means if you have an employee that works 4 days a week and you've got a job that's going to take 20 days to produce and you're only running a single shift, you're going to get that job done in about 5 weeks. Versus if you're using the robot, you're going to get that job done in less than a week. So you're getting it to the customer quicker, which makes the customer very happy. You're being able to put other jobs into the machine so that you can make more money, increase your revenue, but it also helps on profitability. When we looked at our first job to put in the robot, it was a small part. We saw it as a good candidate. We did it in 5-axis with the Haas TRT-160, and that job saved $6,500 in labor costs. So it was a home run. We're winning with these machines because it's greatly increased our output and shortened our lead times and improved our profitability. So this is something I would definitely repeat.